Pasar Maju, there is a particular address which carries about a dozen voters, and their code Negara is code Negara 71, which means that they are born overseas. Now, if you look at their names, they sound very foreign. They sound very foreign, and I managed to locate the exact premises, and I noticed that it is actually a roti canai store.
They might not be Malaysians. Have you talked to these people before?
I actually went to speak to one of the head waiters there, and he told me that he can recognize a couple of names out of the dozen.
Okay, so the others are not recognized by the shop owner or the head waiter or waitress.
Yeah, the head waiter.
Okay.
It's very interesting.
Have you guys reported this to the SPR?
No, they will just say that this is gazetted and it's there, so nobody lodged a protest during the Pameran period. So basically, according to the operations of law, it is actually a gazetted electoral roll and can't even challenge in court.
Oh, why is that? I mean, if we can prove that these are non-Malaysian voters, we are not able, I mean, the law doesn't permit us to report on these cases and permit these illegal immigrants to vote?
First of all, they have a Malaysian IC. Okay, now if you look at the Sabah RC, Sabah Project IC, so there are certain quarters that are claiming that this is being replicated in the peninsula. Now, MERAP has no way of verifying this, alright? But it has shown that it's possible, right?
You are watching My Durian TV.
Rasa sayang, hey rasa sayang, sayang.